Hello po today. Bali, ito na po yung inyong order for the Sony PSP 2000 model brown variant po natin. So this is going pala to Sagbayan, Bohol. So for your order, this has over 100 to 150 plus games na naka-install. Pakita ko lang first yung charging ng ating unit. So nakakabit na rin yung charger that is included with your package sa aming outlet. Now, once you charge your unit, yung green light na ito is magiging orange light po siya. And then in use, will change to charging. Kabit ko lang sa... Eh. So, orange light. And then after a few seconds, magiging charging po siya. Then you notice yung battery icon will show running. So that indicates na charging po yung ating PSP unit. And then I'll show you yung ating buttons naman. So na-stress test na rin naman namin yung inyong unit. This is just for our video demo na rin para mapakita din namin sa inyo. So LR natin. And then our circle, X, square, triangle, directional buttons, select start, and hold button sa gilid. Home button natin, volume up and our volume down, our mute button, and brightness. And yung ating analog. I'll be sending separate photos na rin po during and before ma-pick up yung inyong unit. And the other inclusions, of course, dito sa inyong package. So for your game request, we were able to install yung mga PSP games. Naka-folder po yung mga games natin, hindi lang siya limited sa isang folder. Now, meron tayo dito mga games that you can play. And then, for example, for this folder, aside from yung, I think may request kayo na Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. So, aside from yung game na yon, meron rin po kayong mga ibang games na pwedeng pagpilian. So, ito yung requested ninyo. And then, you can also choose other games like mga God of War natin, Metal Gear, mga racing games, Naruto, Dragon Ball, Tekken, of course, hindi rin mawawala. And marami pa pong iba. So, isa lang po ito sa folder wherein you can play yung mga games na naka-install natin. So, open natin yung game request ninyo. So, okay na po yung inyong order. Bali, papack na lang din namin ito and then wait na lang namin din yung courier for pickup. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Alright, thank you po and happy gaming!